Hello and welcome to another episode of SqEngineering Engineering. I'm Sprutis and we are continuing with the Supra, finally. You might have noticed that there have been a few E36 episodes in between, maybe also about some new welding machines, because I think I needed better control of the arc while TIG welding aluminum. So now that we have that, we can move forward with the intercooler pipes and the EPman clamps. So I think we will just get the compressor cover on the turbo and then start fitting up the pipe and modify it with the clamps. So I placed the compressor housing on the turbo. I just put one of those clamping pieces to align it, and here you see the old pipe that I had. So it was a silicone coupler joining this to the compressor cover. So what I will do now is grind down the small welds that I had and tape on the V-band clamp and see how this lines up. So currently, or my guess from just eyeing a bit, is that this angle is a little bit too much. So hopefully all I need to do is add the other end of the clamp, cut it somewhere around here, and then maybe add that piece or this piece. We will see. It's nice to have a pipe with a bend for later on, but let's start with this. So here we have the pipe, and I've cleaned the area where I want to cut it. I've put these zip ties on, which would be my reference. I've cleaned this area so that this part of the flange fit. Just put some tape on to keep it in place. So let's see how it fits. So I managed to get the pipe in place, and as you can see, the clamp is slightly crooked, and that's just because the other end of the pipe is not connected to anything, which you can see down there. But if I'm twisting the pipe a little bit clockwise, then that's fine. I've also Can't see that here, but I marked the pipe where to cut it, or best guess. So I will do that now, and then let's see how that lines up. So to start things off regarding cutting pipes, this is the cutter I'm using. So you just wrap this around the pipe. Well, this is a pipe cutter, and then you just move the handle back and forth, rotate it a bit back and forth, and then you end up with something like this. So we have the main pipe that you've already seen in place, and here I actually have the two finishing pieces. So let's have a look underneath. So we have, first of all, when fitting these, we want to have them at a certain distance so that they don't continuously move, or so I've read. But this end will go on the intercooler, and the reason for that is because of this AC line. So by spacing it out a little bit, we end up in an area where the actual clamp can fit more easily. On the other end, we have the pipe coming down. So what I've done is I've pulled it down and I've clocked it to the position where I want it. So I drew some green marker on both sides and the loose pipes as well, and I fitted them up to the pipes, existing pipes, and then I was able to clock them so that they have the nice distance between these flanges, and then I could use my scribe to make a few lines. So that's what we have here in the green. So that one will line up like this, like so, and then that one will be on that end, of course. And I should perhaps have cut this end off. Now we don't really have a nice cut line, but it will have to do. So this is then what we have accomplished for this episode. We are ready to tack weld this and see if it fits. This one of course required me to take down the intercooler, so I might take care of the other end first before I do that. This one is clear to tack, and also this one, and also that flange. So basically mission accomplished. But that will have to wait for the next episode. I think this is a good place to stop this episode. We have the pipe ready to go, and yeah, we're moving forward, so that's great. And I'm going on a work trip, but I will be back before this is online, because I want to release the videos about the welding machines before this, or maybe before next episode. We will see. There will be something So yeah, you know the drill. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.